Welcome to Weekends in My Garage, and this video will be about a bag that I found on Amazon for my Anker SOLIX C1000. This is actually a better bag than the one that Anker sells from their website, because not only does it hold the Anker SOLIX C1000, but it can also hold the solar panels as well as the cords and everything that's necessary to go with the Anker SOLIX C1000. Another cool feature of this particular bag is it is waterproof. So I can place this in the bag. If it's raining outside, I can make sure that my C1000 is dry and protected. So let's check out some of the compartments on this bag. So up front, we have a large compartment here to which I have cords, additional items here, such as this to connect the C1000 to my car. It has these pockets. It also has this here, which is another pocket with a zipper to store things. It has the handle. And let me open this up. And as you can see here, it holds the C1000 nice and tight, as well as the box that contains the solar panels to operate the C1000. Great find on Amazon. Great bag for my C1000. I'll drop the link in the description. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and thank you for watching this video for Weekends in My Garage. Don't forget to click subscribe and like, and I'll talk to you guys soon.